Something strange is happening on YouTube right now. Tech creators who make Windows 11 tutorials are seeing their videos disappear overnight. Videos that were online for months are suddenly gone, with no warning and no clear explanation. So what is happening? Is this a YouTube AI mistake? A new policy change? Or something bigger happening behind the scenes? Let's break it down with real examples. A real example comes from a creator called CyberCPU Tech. He posted a tutorial showing how to install Windows 11 using a local account, and another video showing how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Both videos were removed by YouTube. He received a message saying his content was harmful or dangerous. But the tutorials were simple installation guides. Nothing harmful, nothing dangerous. Another creator posted on Reddit that several of his Install Windows 11 on Unsupported PC videos also got strikes. Many people are reporting the same thing, so yes, this is actually happening. Reason 1. YouTube's AI system. YouTube uses automatic systems to scan millions of videos. Sometimes the AI thinks a tutorial is unsafe when it is not. One creator said his appeal was rejected in minutes, which almost always means the AI made the final decision. Reason 2. Windows 11 security rules. Windows 11 has strict requirements. It needs TPM 2.0, secure boot, and a Microsoft account. Videos that show how to bypass these requirements might be getting flagged more often. Reason 3. YouTube's policy changes. YouTube updated its harmful content rules. Older tech videos that used to be allowed might now fall under these new rules. What this means for viewers: if you search for Windows 11 help and you notice fewer videos than before, this is probably the reason. Safe tutorials like fixing errors, speeding up Windows, or changing settings are still allowed. But advanced installation tricks or bypass methods are more likely to get removed. What creators should do now? For creators like me, the solution is clear. We will keep making Windows 11 tutorials, but we'll focus on topics that are safe and helpful, such as fixing common errors, performance improvements, and clear step-by-step guides. These videos are useful, they are always in demand, and they do not break any rules. For viewers, the advice is simple. Watch tutorials from trusted channels and be careful with videos that try to bypass major restrictions. Those videos might disappear or stop working after updates. So yes, Windows 11 bypass videos are disappearing from YouTube. Real creators experienced it. It might be the AI system, a policy update, or something else behind the scenes. If you want clear Windows 11 help that won't suddenly vanish, make sure to subscribe. And if you have a Windows 11 problem you want me to cover, tell me in the comments. I'm here to help.